Fun fact, the new succulents that we bought will cause Zeph made me sad. And then I was like, you made me sad. I wonder how you can make it up to me. Let's go buy succulents. Come on in. First we have our very cute IKEA doormat that Zeph wants you to take a look. Welcome to the entrance of the house. We put our shoes here because in Australia you get many insects, so we didn't want to have spiders and stuff in our shoes. And then we also have like a very nice big area. You're taking this very seriously. Okay, sorry, cannot be fun. Hug him. Here is like a very nice big entrance. We found this beautiful mirror on Facebook Marketplace. We also brought our vowels from Singapore, so we just put it here. This is where I make matcha, and I don't bake here, I bake there, but it's just here. Okay, I'm gonna close the door first. Welcome to our living room. This is a very small cozy couch that they had already, and a TV. And beside the TV, we have our little friend here brewing kombucha. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We have Zeph's coffee station. I mean, it's ours. We got this on Facebook Marketplace. We're still kind of figuring out how to make our very nice cup of coffee. And the grinder that Zeph brought from Singapore. And our landlord very kindly allowed us to have this 3-in-1 microwave, oven, air fryer.
Wow.
Everything we can do here. Yes.
Okay, so this is the kitchen. You can see it's really deep inside. So right. Oh. And if you deep fry something or you're frying something, the oil splatters only until here. It doesn't reach the floor. Which is great. We have some knives, some oil. This is the sink. It's nice and big. You can wash big things here. And here's washing machine. Nice. Some onions. Nice. And this is the fridge. Beautiful fridge.
It's huge eh?
Yeah.
We've never had such a big fridge before.
Yeah. It's nice.
It's as tall as you.
This is our menu. What do we have on our menu today? I would like to have a peach cobbler with ice cream.
Nice.
Yum. Okay, you might not have seen it, but if you look above the fridge, there are cupboards. And there are like cupboards all along the bottom of the house, which is really nice. Oh, okay, this is our dining table. And if you see, it has a wonderful view.
It does, huh?
Oh.
Okay, come on into our room. I just want to say that we actually packed and made our bed for like the first time in 2 months for this video. We normally don't make the bed, but this is our room. It's a very simple room, but also very nice. We have 2 bedside tables, each with their own lamps, and Ricky that we brought from Singapore.
Thanks, Ricky.
And we have a nice working station. This is where I do my readings and my work, and where we play dota together.
Sorry, the laundry thing is like not the vibe.
So at first, when we were viewing the house was like that. So it was just like, oh, okay, it's a very normal cozy bedroom. And then he was like, yeah, you can also open the blinds.
Whoa.
Look at the view.
Absolutely great.
And then the sunset's behind us, so like it gets purple, pink, and everything all around here during sunset.
So crazy.
So crazy. Alright, we have our grateful wall. We just started making this, but we are trying to continue what we used to do in Hillview and write down some of the things that we're grateful for. Yeah, we also have like proper wardrobe space this time. We have very big area to put all our clothes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry, not opening it.
Okay, come look at our toilet. Our toilet is huge.
Toilet time.
So we have a very nice shower station. And there's also a lot of storage actually inside.
Oh yeah. These shelves, right, are not until the wall only. They go like
way
deeper.
inside.
No,
Yeah.
for some reason it's super deep.
Yeah.
This is the sink. This is the toilet bowl.
And this is our new friend. It's the Dream G10 vacuum. If you need to
Sponsored.
know. Not sponsored. I mean, but if Dream wants to sponsor us, Dream can get in touch. hellozojaavengers@gmail.com. Okay, so it's really good because it's a vacuum mop. So you can use it for carpets, you can use it for hard floor, and it was maybe less than 200.
Sick.
Okay, so if you ever want to know how big our house is, I've counted yesterday 7 crab walks. 5, 6, 7, 7.5.
Nice.
Come on and see the garden. You have to crab walk also. I just want you to know that out of all the furniture here in the garden, we spent $0. Let me show you why.
Wait, what?
We spent $0. So the chairs were from the previous tenant, right?
Yeah.
Then this, which is like a little flip-up table, put some like gardening stuff. Together with this, which I used to put like all the
other gardening stuff. Oh wait, there's a plant there.
This is to help me differentiate that this is the succulent potting mix, not to mix it up with my regular potting mix.
Oh my god, poor dying succulent.
Sorry. Okay, this is my monstera and the very beautiful leaf that has now grown. Yeah, wait, so this was free. This was free. Then do you remember this shelf was
It was also free.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then these two wooden planks, they were actually just like lying on the floor here. They looked really sad, and then like we had an idea to like place them on top of like stacked pavers. So now we have a little garden.
It's pretty nice. You wanna take us through what we have?
Okay, so I'll start from the top shelf.
Okay.
So these little circular pots, we were trying to grow like a wild cottage mix. Basically just like a mix of flowers. They say it will grow in 4 to 8 weeks. It's been like 4 weeks. And then we have nasturtium, a beautiful flower has opened for us. And we have the variegated version here. Yeah. Okay, these are our newest friends. We bought this tree from one of the houses that sells two, and then this third one.
I gotta go close for this one.
This is really cute. It's our first cactus and our only cactus.
It's a hand.
Yeah. Circle like that. And then we have our chili plant that currently has 3 chilies.
Nice.
Yeah. Finish in 1 meal.
We killed all the flowers in one day. No, there were like aphids on them, so I like
Oh yeah.
wrestled the aphids out and all the flowers died.
There's no more aphid here.
See the aphid?
You have to see it underneath it. This way.
Yeah, I can see.
Can see?
I can see.
Yee.
There's another plant. Hi there.
This is a rescue project. This is a rescue project. That's a rescue project. Yeah, I'm trying to encourage them to grow their roots out.
Yeah, this is pretty plants.
Can also show them our swing. Actually, we don't really use it. They're spider webs, but you could, I guess. Come, join me.
Okay, it's okay. This is the bench. Bench. We'll sit here and appreciate the view. Because once we brought our dinners outside here to eat.
I'm gonna go to the beach after this. I'm so excited. Ready?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.